as you follow the path of marriage, to love and honor each other, for as long as we walk shall live. I have.
Every detail memorized, can reset every line. The pattern of the dress you wore, the color of your eyes, everything just hits all at once. Something's always wasted. If it's real, won't do this for nobody else. No, I'll keep watch on we built our
I want to let you know that Chelsea told me when you get married to tell you that she loves you. She loves you so much, and that's why I'm waiting for Russell to marry you, because I promised Chelsea that I will be accepting you as my daughter also.
If this is a curtain, and it all comes crashing down, at least we had the world in what we found.
I, Russell,
I, Julia,
take you, Julia, to be my wife.
take you, Russell, to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you,
In good times and in bad.
and in sickness and in health, to love you, to
and to
honor
honor
you,
you.
all the days of my life.
What you want and I'll deliver, at least I try my best. From the top of spring and through the winter, I give you everything that I have left. It never was perfect, but that's what we wanted. If one thing was certain, we took every moment. If this is a curtain, and it all comes crashing down, at least we had the world in what we found.
They've weathered the storm, and they've come out holding hands, stronger than ever. I believe God made Julia for Russell, and God made Russell for Julia.
I know growing up, our dad used to write us handwritten notes, and I know how meaningful that is to us. So when you guys get home, you and Russell will both find a handwritten note from me. I love you, and I can't wait to watch you and Russell start this new chapter in your life.
Both Julia and Makuya are such talented, creative, kind, passionate individuals, but together, they're perfect.
I hope everyone here today is filled with some sort of uplifting inspiration within today's beautiful celebration as you witness the true love of Russ and Julia. When I say A, y'all say rush. A, A. When I say two, y'all say H is two. Two.
I've been did just what they told me to. But I just think it's overdue. Me and you, round and round we go. We can take it slow, or maybe we can say what we already know.
I'm so sorry that I kept you waiting 11 years. And I'm sorry I kept you guys waiting 11 years. I know you guys were waiting too. You know, it's crazy to think that we're only getting started. And you never looked more beautiful than you do today. And I know tomorrow, the day after that, and the day after that, you'll look even more beautiful, because my love for you never stops growing. I would like to make a toast to my amazing wife, Mrs. Menez. She manifested this amazing day, and having all of you guys here makes it perfect. So cheers. Thank you.